This asana tutorial is on Warrior 1. You should have practiced mountain pose already. So we're going to go from mountain pose. You want to stand at the front of your mat. Again, feet are about 2 fists apart. Come into your mountain pose. Just take a breath here. Inhale and exhale. And we'll come into warrior stance. So warrior stance, you're going to step one leg back. I'm going to start with my right leg. So step the right leg back. Okay. Bring that heel down. The back foot should be at a 45 to 90 degree angle. So the foot can aim toward the edge of the mat or at a slight angle. You don't want to try to have your toes facing forward. Okay. Heel is down. Front knee is bent. To the best of your ability, try to align the knee over the ankle. If you can't quite get that, that is all right. Push your weight into that back leg for support. Pelvis is forward. So this is our warrior stance. Warrior 1. Inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, shoulders away from the ears. Pelvis is forward, engaging our core. All muscles are engaged from the soles of our feet. Again, all the way up to the tips of our fingers. Hold for one more breath. Inhale, exhale, and then slowly release, step out. All right, we're going to do the other side for balance. I'm going to change my position. You don't have to do that. Again, starting at the front of the mat. Step the left leg back. Okay, position the foot, 45 to 90 degree angle. Bend to the front knee. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, shoulders away from the ears. Warrior 1. One hold. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. And slowly step out. This is your tutorial on Warrior 1. Practice, then move on to Warrior 2.